Your manifestations are not coming in because you keep changing your mind. You want to manifest being a millionaire, but one day you have the millionaire's mindset, then the next day you have a poor person's mindset. One day you want to be in a relationship, and the next day you want to stay by yourself. You got to stop doing that. Stop switching tracks. Stop jumping timelines. Stop changing your mind. Literally changing your mind. Every time you make a different decision, you change your mind. The energetic buildup needs time. And if you keep switching tracks, jumping timelines, and changing your mind, the energy never gets to build up. Every time you change your mind, every time you decide you want something else, you hold up the manifestation you're trying to get to. The universe can only work off of your direction. The target of your manifestation can only be hit if you're focusing on it steadily. You know, a steady line of fire. Yeah, you need that. You're confused. So you're confusing the universe. Stop it. What do you want? What do you want? Pick. Just pick already. Focus. Hold the line of fire until it comes. Period. Stop changing your mind.